How to delete Alipay account permanently. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Alipay account permanently. So for the first step is of course pull up your Alipay application and ensure that you're logged in into the account in which you would like to be deleted. Now once you logged in, just go into profile at the lower right and then before account deletion, you're going to have to manually remove everything that you have on Alipay. So if you have any types of memberships on Alipay, just choose on memberships and then cancel everything from there, and as well as your payment methods. Next is to pull up the gear icon at the top right, and then choose on account and security. And from here, you should be able to see the option here that says account cancel, and then you're just gonna have it confirm so that your account will be permanently deleted. Take note that your phone number that you're using on this account will not going to be usable if you register a new account again. And that's how you delete Alipay account permanently.